Episode 3. In our last episode, we looked at laws of logarithms and I gave you some questions to practice. Let's check the answers to those questions. Here are the questions given in the last episode on laws of logarithms. Yes, I asked you to play around with these questions and I promise that I will show you the answer today, question 1 to 11. So if you have not seen that episode, laws of logarithms, you can pause this video and try to solve this question if you still remember your law of logarithms. Okay, here are the answers to this. If you've done it before, yes, exercise 2C, here are the answers. Please go through them. Yes, here are the answers. Okay, here are the answers to those questions. Question 10 and question 11 is here. Okay, I think that's all. Well done to those of you that have done that question. Please, you can play the video again if you miss anyone. Let's jump at today's question and see what we do in our today's episode. So today we are going to be solving logarithmic equation, and at the end of this episode you should be able to solve any form of logarithmic equation, any form. Yes, let's see some practice questions that we will need to do together. All right, yes, exercise 2D. We have some questions here. You can pause the video and try to solve them on your own, and when you are ready to see the answer, play the video and you will see the answer. And if you know you can't solve this, please come close and let's do it together. I will just do few questions here. Yes, I will do maybe 2 or 3, then I will allow you guys to practice. So which one should I start with? I'll do question 2D. Yes, let me just, I think 2 and question 1 are the same. Okay, let me just pick question 3 and 2 together. So that I will do 1. Let me take it to my board and see how I can cope with this. All right, still checking logarithmic equation. Okay, which one should I do here? Let me start with somebody is shouting question D. Which of the D? 2D or 3D? Okay, I will do okay. I will do question D. All right, let me check out the question we are going to do. I'm going to do C in 2 and D in 3. Okay, I think that is fair, right? So that you guys can do the rest. Now, question. Let's start with question this C. The question says log 5, log open bracket 5 minus 2x base 2 equals to 3 plus log x plus 1 base 2. Okay, because they are in base 2, I can take this to the other side. Yes, just be flexible about it. Do it as if you are doing your equation. When I take that to the other side, it will give me minus x plus 1 equals to 2 equals to 3. Just put your laws at the back of your mind. This is division law because they have the same base, right? I can pick the same base and subtract their power or divide their powers because it's subtraction. So x plus 1 equals to 3. From here, I can change these logarithms to indices. This base will carry the answer and equals to this, meaning that 5 minus 2x all over x plus 1 equals to 2 raised to power 3. My question asks me to solve for x. Okay, let me take this. With this is a normal math. I can do 5 minus 2x all over x plus 1. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So I cross multiply. 5 minus 2x is equal to 8x plus 8. I collect like terms. 5 minus 8, this one is coming here, this one is going there. 8x plus 2, this one should give me minus 3 is equal to, okay, let me continue with my red marker, and this one should give me minus 3 equals to, oh, I did not put x here, okay, it's equal to 10x. So x is equal to minus 3 over 10. Simple. It's simple, is it not? Just what you just do is try to see how you can solve the equation the way you normally solve your linear equation. I just move the log x plus 1 base 2 to the left hand side, and it's positive at the right hand side. When you get to the left hand side, it will be minus. Then because they have the same base, I use division law to combine them, pick the same base and divide. Then I use change of logarithms to indices to get that. Okay, let's please check question 3D. You're shouting D, 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 D. It's simple, it's the same way. Just take these two to the other side too. Okay, let's check it together. Log 3 minus 10x. You should be able to do this. Base 2. I'm taking this to the other side. It will be minus 2 log x base 2 equals to 3, right? So this guy can come up, and I will use division law. Let me pick the same base. I have 3 minus 10x. When that one goes up, okay, it will be x raised to power 2 divided by x squared is equal to 3. Change the base logarithm to indices. So I will just have 3 minus 10x all over x squared is equal to 2 raised to power 3. Let me change my color to orange. So when you cross multiply here, I will have 3 minus 10x equals to 8x squared. Okay, and that one will give me quadratic equation. 8x squared plus 10x minus 3 equals to 0. So let's solve that question quadratically. If you solve that question quadratically, what do you give you? Yes, your knowledge of quadratic equation is coming to play here. Yes, knowledge of quadratic equation. So you can use formula method, you can use factorization, you can use completing the square. Yes, if you have not seen a video on completing on quadratic, please go and check. Please go check it out. If you look at this very well, if you factorize, you are going to have your x equals to negative 1.5 or x equals to 1 over 4. X equals to 1 over 4, which is 0.25. That's how to do it. That's how to do it. You know how to solve quadratic equation. Just apply it straight up and you get your answer. So that's how to do problems on solving logarithmic equations. I know you guys you can solve this. Just give it a shot. Try it out. Somebody is saying I should do question 6. I should do question 6. I should do question 6. Okay, let me see if I can do question 6. That is simultaneous equation. I'll do one in question 6, then I will release the rest, allow you to do the remaining. Okay, let me just see. Let's do it here. I bring question 6 to the table. I'll do 6a, and you guys can do the rest. Or which one? Somebody say B. It's the same thing. Let me just do one so that you guys can practice the rest. Question 6a. We are doing 6a. So I have xy is equal to 81, and I have log xy equals to 3. So I can make equation 1 x is equal to 81 over y. Call it equation 1. Substitute this in this. Log. Okay, let me make y. It will be easier. It will be easier if I make y. Yes, it's the same thing, but I think I should make y. So log xy equals to 3. So if I make y subject of the formula, y is equal to 81 over x. Okay, then I can substitute this in equation 2. Substitute in equation 2. That does not mean if I make x, I will not get my answer. I will, but I just looking for something that is a little bit convenient and will be able to do very fast. Instead of writing y, I will write 81 over x base x equals to 3. I can change base logarithm to indices. You can see how often we use that. X raised to power 3 is equal to 81 over x. Okay. If I have this, I can also cross multiply x raised to power 4 is equal to 81. So x, I can take the fourth root of both sides. X raised to power 4 times 1 over 4 is equal to 81 raised to power 1 over 4. So I have x is equal to 81 1 over 4. So you can check that out on your calculator. Just input that into your calculator and see what it will give us. That's 81 raised to the power of 1 divided by 4. Let me just put bracket. I'm trying to type that one out on my calculator. Okay, and see what we get, and that will give us 3. Just want you to be sure. So when you find x is equal to 81 raised to power 4, that's 3. X is 3. Now that x is 3, I can find y. I can find y from there. So y is equal to 81 over x, which is 81 over 3. 81 divided by 3 will give me, yes, 81 divided by 3 is 27. Y is equal to 27. Very simple and straightforward, meaning x is 3 when y is 27. That's it. It's very simple. So just apply your laws of logarithms and you will get it. Try as much as possible to practice question 7 to 1 to 7, and in the next class I will show you the answer. See you in our next episode. Bye.